Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apache health checks and ModStatus on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have SSH access to your VPS. Log into your VPS using an SSH client. Navigate to the Apache configuration directory. Typically, this is located at /etc/httpd/conf or /etc/apache2. Open the httpd.conf or apache2.conf file in a text editor. Search for the mod_status module in the configuration file. Make sure the line load module status_module/mod_status.so is not commented out. Next, locate the section for the location directive for status requests. If it doesn't exist, create a new block for it. Add the following code to allow access to the status page: location/server status set handler server status require host yourdomain.com/location replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain or IP address. Save the configuration file after making changes. Next, restart the Apache service to apply the new configuration. You can do this by running the command sudo systemcll restart apache2 or sudo systemcll restart httpd. After the restart, open a web browser. Type in your server's IP address followed by /server status. This should display the Apache server status page. Check for any errors on that page to verify that the mod_status is functioning correctly. For health checks, you can use tools like curl or get. Open your terminal and run a health check command. For example, curl http://yourdomain.com/server-status . Verify that you receive a status code of 200. If you see a different status code, troubleshoot your Apache configuration. Review the Apache error logs for any issues. You can usually find logs in the /var/log/httpd/error_log or /var. Check for network issues if you are unable to access the status page. Confirm that your firewall settings allow access to the HTTP service. Use commands like sudo of status to check the firewall settings. Make adjustments as necessary, then repeat the health check. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.